How to log text messages on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device, and as you tap on settings, scroll down and tap on apps. As you do that, you can see the option of app lock. So tap on app lock, and as you do that, you can create a password over here in order to create that, or in order to log the chat or the messages on Android. So what you can simply do is scroll down and search for messages application over here. Here you can see the messages. So toggle on the option for this messages application over here, and here you'll be able to see there have been 2 apps that have been logged. Now go back and tap on messages application over here. Now as you tap on the messages, you can see your messages has been logged. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications. See you next time.